Friends, if you want to make someone addicted to you, if you want them to be unable to live without you, and you want them to completely belong to you, to get used to you, then today's video is going to be very important, because today I will tell you 4 tricks by which you can make anyone addicted to you, make them dependent on you, after which they will not leave you. Here, one thing is very important to understand. Everything has both good and bad uses. You can use these techniques to make your relationships stronger, so that the people you love also become attached to you and cannot live without you. These tricks usually come under dark psychology, through which you create such an image in someone's mind that the person becomes addicted to you. So don't miss this video. Let's start. Number 1. Give a lot of attention. First of all, give that person a lot of attention. Make them feel important. Make them feel that they matter a lot in your life, and show this through your actions as well. Do something special for them. Give them a gift. Send them a special message. Start taking care of them in small conversations. Make them feel special. Tell them to take care of themselves. Give them so much attention and importance that they start realizing you are now completely focused on them. Make them feel that no one else has the same place in your life as they do. Treat them in a way you don't treat anyone else. The attention you give them, you give to no one else. Tell them clearly that they are important to you. Make them believe that you can do anything for them. Make them feel special in the beginning. Give them a lot of attention. So much attention that they start wondering how someone can be this good. At first, they may doubt you, but you must keep giving attention. Send a good morning message. Say good night at night. Keep doing these small actions that force them to think about you. Remember, the most valuable thing is attention. When someone receives attention, they start improving themselves. If someone tells you, "Your hair looks really nice," you will automatically think about that person the next day and take more care of your hair, so that you look even better in front of them and receive more compliments. That's why you must give full attention. Keep complimenting them. Number 2. Listening. Start listening to that person. Make them feel that you are interested in their words. Listen carefully and enjoy what they say. When you start listening with attention, they will begin sharing everything only with you. They will open up to you. Every small and big thing in their life, they will tell you. You just have to listen, even if you are not interested. Give full attention. Make them feel that you are the only one who listens to them. Every human has something to say. Everyone wants someone who listens, understands, and gives attention. When you play this role for someone, they start forming a deep connection with you. They will want to strengthen their bond with you. They will always be excited to talk to you, because they will always have something to say, and they will want to tell it to you. In the beginning, just listen carefully. Ask questions like, "How was your day?" Unconsciously make them feel that you care, that you want to know about their entire day. A relationship built on listening has no replacement. No other bond can be deeper than this. When you listen to someone, they start getting addicted to you, and their attachment keeps growing. Number 3. Emotional connection. Connect with the other person's emotions. Understand their feelings. Give them emotional support. When they need someone, when they are disturbed or in pain, be their support. Comfort them. Words spoken in difficult times are remembered for a lifetime. Do not let them feel emotionally weak. Use emotions to connect them to you. Give so much care and love that they become emotionally attached to you. Send this signal to their brain that you are the one who thinks about them, the one who stands by them in happiness and sorrow. This will strongly hit their mind, and they will never forget who stood with them when no one else did. When you enter their emotional relationship list, your job is done. They will start forming long-term memories about you and think about you more consciously, because no one has ever treated them the way you did, where emotional needs are fulfilled. A person never leaves. Humans have two main needs, financial and emotional, just like someone doesn't leave a job that fulfills their financial needs in the same way. A person who fulfills emotional needs cannot be replaced. So give emotional support. Number 4. Craving now. Let the other person crave you. After a good connection and conversations, create some distance. Do not be available 24 hours. Give them space so they can think about you and miss you. Gradually limit your attention first. Shower them with attention. When they start feeling confident that you are under their control, then step back a little. Create distance. Their mind will constantly think about you. Never give unlimited attention. Give attention, but also space. Otherwise, they will never feel craving. People value what they miss. When you reduce attention, their mind already used to your attention will start missing you. Talk at fixed times. This makes the relationship deeper. Their habit will force them to seek the same attention again. They will never forget you. They will never remove you from their heart. Because when you give space, they will remember memories and miss you. This is how you can make anyone addicted to you. At least keep one need that only you can fulfill. So they have to come only to you. Give attention, but keep distance. Then they will become addicted to you and never leave you. If you want a video on any problem, tell me in the comments. I hope you liked the video. Like it, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.